How to cancel Disney Plus subscription. In this video, I'm going to be showing you two specific couple steps for you to be able to cancel the current subscription that you're in your Disney Plus account. But first, keep in mind that you will not be able to do this using the Disney Plus or the Disney application. You really need to pull out your preferred web browser for this process to work. Now head straight into the Disney Plus official site and then log in into your account using this button here at the top left. Once you've successfully logged in, you just now have to choose on the current profile to a certain account which you would like to be canceled. It is usually located at the top right, and then once you choose on that, you will be redirected into your account details. Now, into your account details, just choose on billing details so that you will be redirected to your current subscription. Now, once you're on the current subscription, all you have to do is to choose on cancel subscription. And then on that next page, you will be asked for a confirmation that you really would like to cancel your subscription. Just choose on complete cancellation and you're done. And that is how you cancel Disney Plus subscription.